In this video, let me show you how to recover deleted items inside of Outlook. If you have deleted any emails from the deleted items list as well, and you want to recover it, let me show you the process. Let me first of all start off by deleting an actual email. I just click on the delete button and then head over to the deleted item section and then delete it from here as well. Now, once all of the items have been removed from the deleted section, the way that you now recover those deleted emails is you'll see this option right here or this link right here which says recover items deleted from this folder. So you can just click on this option and now it's going to show you all of the items or the emails that have been deleted from the deleted items list as well. As long as the items or the emails are in this section, you can easily recover them. But as soon as you delete it from this section as well, they will be no longer recoverable. So to recover these emails, you can just drag and drop to wherever you like them and the emails will be recovered as easy as that. So this is the final stage. If you delete any emails from this section as well, they will not be recoverable at all. So that was the process of recovering deleted emails inside of Outlook. If you guys are interested in more tutorial videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell and also subscribe to this channel. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.